Welcome everyone to today's video. Now in today's tutorial I'll be talking about how you can actually check your tracking number and send to your shipping agent to actually track your goods. Now I'm going to log into my 1688 app, and as it is loading, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video or share this video to those ones who actually need to watch this video. Now in this channel I talk about how to make money online, meaning importation, blog design, web design. I talk about graphic designing, I talk about Canva tutorial and many more. Now this is 1688 app. Now in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can actually check your waybill number or your tracking number. All you just need to do after you've logged in your app, you can see from the downside we have 5 icons here. You have the 1688 icon, you have this icon, then this message icon. But click on the first icon by the right hand side, which is mine, that shows an icon of a person's head. And after you've clicked that, it will load your information and everything about. I can show you the goods you have ordered, the ones you've paid for and the ones you've not actually paid for. Now you can actually see from my screen here. Let me use my high dictionary here. The first one here, you can see here, it is written pending payment. This pending payment simply means when you actually saw a product online and you actually want to buy it, you put it on your the inventory that okay, I'm interested in buying this good. It goes straight to your pending payment. While the next one is to be delivered. After you've paid, it moves to be delivered. That simply means it's at the process of what packaging. The owner is at the process of packaging your goods. And the next one is in what transit. That simply means there is pending receipt. And then the next one is comment. And then the last one, which is refund or after sale. Now what this simply means that there are actually 5 icons here. This one that shows a van or a car icon simply means your goods is in transit. They're actually delivering it to your shipping company there in China, that the address you put while paying. And then you can actually see that one of my goods has been shipped to my warehouse, and before it was showing 2 yesterday, but today it's showing 1. That simply means it has been shipped. So for you to actually check your tracking number, you just need to click on the van icon. Sorry, the network is a little bit slow. And don't forget, today some people have been asking me how can they translate. All you just need to do is download High Dictionary on Google app or Google Play Store. Now all you just need to do is click on view logistic. You can see here view logistic. The first one here is confirm the receipt of goods. The moment you confirm, it simply shows it has been shipped. And then the other one is extended receipt. Then click on view logistics. Now you can actually see from here we have what is tag waybill number. This waybill number, all you just need to do is click on this. It's simply showing blue. That simply means it has been delivered. Now you see from here, all you just need to do is here click on this icon, which is copy, and you copy it and send to your shipping company. If they ask you for the tracking number, you come down here, you can see the tracking number down. The up one is the waybill number, and then the down one is the tracking number. Now this is just how to check your waybill number and your tracking number and send to your agent. By doing that, they will be able to ascertain if they have actually received your good or they have not received your good. Thank you. But don't forget to subscribe to this channel, because in my next video I'll be showing you how you can actually add your goods to your cart and actually chat your manufacturer directly, and maybe tell him to reduce the minimum quantity or reduce the price range of his goods so that you'll be able to pay. Thank you.